What if your front door could whisper Merry Christmas before you even opened it? What if every guest who walked up smiled at a wreath so warm and welcoming, it felt like a hug in holiday form? Imagine a circle of greenery, handmade with love, twinkling lights, ribbons that shimmer in candlelight, tiny pine cones and ornaments telling your own story. You don't need to buy expensive store wreaths this year. You can make your own, and I promise, it'll look even better because it'll have your touch. In this video, we're crafting the most beautiful DIY Christmas wreaths for 2025, ideas that are creative, affordable, and full of meaning. Whether you love classic elegance, rustic charm, or something whimsical and fun, you'll find inspiration to make your doorway the most joyful spot in your home. So, grab a warm drink, clear a little crafting space, and let's start creating holiday magic, one wreath at a time. Where should you begin when making your own Christmas wreath? Every wreath begins with a circle, a simple shape that represents eternity, warmth, and welcome. Start with the base. You can use a metal hoop, grapevine ring, or even a foam base, whatever feels right for your theme. For a rustic look, go with grapevine. For modern elegance, choose metal or wood. For traditional coziness, try evergreen or pine garland. Lay out your materials before gluing or wiring anything. This helps you visualize your wreath's flow and balance. Then build from the bottom outward. Layer greenery, add fullness, and remember, asymmetry adds character. Perfection isn't the goal, personality is. If this first idea sparked a little holiday inspiration, hit like and share this video with a friend who loves crafting too. Let's spread the festive creativity. What are the trending DIY wreath styles for 2025? This year, wreath trends blend timeless tradition with modern simplicity. You'll see three big styles dominating doorways and walls this season. Nature-infused wreaths, dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, pine cones, and eucalyptus. Natural, fragrant, and cozy. Minimalist metal hoops, bare gold or silver rings decorated partially with greenery and ribbon. Elegant, airy, and very 2025. Mixed texture magic, combining fabrics like burlap, velvet, and linen ribbons with wood beads or jute rope for a high-end look. The goal is to tell a story, maybe one of nostalgia, calm, or creativity. A wreath becomes an extension of your personality, not just your decor. What's your favorite wreath style? Rustic natural, modern minimalist, or full festive glam? Tell me in the comments below. How can lighting enhance your DIY Christmas wreath? Lighting turns a simple wreath into a glowing masterpiece. You can use battery-operated fairy lights or micro LEDs to wrap around your greenery. Choose warm white for that golden, timeless feel, or try soft amber for a cozy candlelight effect. If your wreath hangs indoors, place it near a lamp or candle setup so it catches ambient light. The shimmer makes ornaments sparkle beautifully. For outdoor wreaths, ensure your lights are waterproof and secure. Add a little bow near the battery pack to hide it elegantly. When it glows softly at night, you'll feel like your front door is smiling back at you. If you love ideas that make your home glow during the holidays, subscribe. There's plenty more cozy Christmas inspiration coming soon. How can you make your wreath on a small budget? A beautiful wreath doesn't have to cost a fortune. It just needs creativity. Use what you already have. Ribbon scraps, old ornaments, pine branches from the yard, or fabric pieces. Here are a few affordable tricks. Wrap your base with burlap or leftover wrapping paper for texture. Cut dried fruit slices to add a fragrant, rustic touch. Repurpose old Christmas tree trimmings or garland leftovers. Add simple paper snowflakes or handmade bows. Even recycled materials can feel luxurious when styled with care. The best decor isn't the most expensive, it's the most thoughtful. If you love creative ways to decorate without overspending, give this video a thumbs up. Let's show that beautiful doesn't have to mean expensive. What materials and tools do you need for wreath making? You don't need a professional setup, just a few basics and your imagination. Gather your materials first. Scissors or pruning shears, floral wire or a hot glue gun, greenery or faux foliage, decorative accents, ornaments, berries, ribbons, bells. Pro tip, keep a few clothespins handy to hold pieces in place while the glue sets. And always layer textures. Greenery first, accents second, details last. When you craft with intention, your wreath won't just decorate your space, it'll express your creativity. What's one item you always include in your Christmas wreath? I'd love to know your signature touch. Drop it in the comments below. How can you add personal and meaningful touches to your wreath? This is where your wreath transforms from pretty to unforgettable. Add sentimental touches, small ornaments from family collections, initials or handwritten tags with short Christmas wishes. You can even tuck in tiny framed photos or tie small notes of gratitude to the greenery. Personal touches remind everyone that the holidays aren't just about decoration, they're about connection. Your wreath becomes not just a display, but a memory keeper. If you love adding meaning to your decor, tap like and share this video. Your personal story deserves to shine this season. How can you display your wreath creatively beyond the front door? Wreaths aren't just for doors anymore. They're versatile accents for every room. Try hanging one above your mantel, in a window, or even as a centerpiece over your dining table. Lay a wreath flat with candles or fairy lights inside for a glowing table feature. You can also hang mini wreaths on cabinets, mirrors, or bedroom doors to carry that cozy theme through your entire home. Each placement adds a little surprise, a reminder of warmth wherever you look. If you can already picture a wreath glowing in every corner of your home, hit that like button. Let's bring those visions to life together. A wreath is so much more than a decoration. It's a symbol of warmth, welcome, and creativity. Every loop of ribbon, every sprig of pine, and every light you add becomes part of your home's Christmas story. Whether it's handmade from nature's treasures or crafted from leftover materials, the love you pour into it shines brighter than any store-bought piece. So this year, don't just hang a wreath. Create one that carries you in every detail. Let your doorway tell your story, your heart lead your craft, and your creativity bring joy to everyone who passes by. Because Christmas isn't about perfection, it's about presence. And a handmade wreath is the perfect way to say, welcome home for the holidays.